Now, let's dive deeper into these updates and explore what they mean for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Snapdragon H4 is set to be a game-changer for mobile performance. Qualcomm has really outdone themselves this time. The CPU improvements are impressive, but the GPU is where this chipset really shines. Mobile gaming has always been a challenge, with many high-performance games pushing the limits of what smartphones can handle. The Snapdragon H4 promises to change that. Gaming enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that the Snapdragon H4 is designed to handle the most demanding games with ease. Titles like Genshin Impact, which require significant processing power and graphical capability, will run smoothly at 1080p. This is a significant leap forward for mobile gaming. Imagine playing your favorite games without any lag or frame drops, even at higher resolutions. The S25 Ultra is set to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience. While raw power is crucial, battery life remains a top concern for smartphone users. The good news is that Qualcomm and phone manufacturers have been working hard to ensure that the Snapdragon H4 is power efficient. Early tests indicate that power consumption has been optimized, allowing the S25 Ultra to deliver high performance without compromising battery life. This balance is critical for users who rely on their phones throughout the day. The decision to keep the display size at 6.8 inches might surprise some, especially with Apple pushing towards larger screens. However, Samsung's choice to stick with this size suggests a focus on user experience and practicality. A 6.8-inch display is already large enough for immersive media consumption and gaming, while still being manageable for everyday use. It also ensures that the phone remains comfortable to hold and use with one hand. The camera is one of the most important features for many smartphone users. The rumor about ditching the 3x telephoto sensor caused quite a stir, but it's reassuring to know that Samsung has no plans to remove it. Instead, we might see an upgraded sensor, which could improve the quality of zoomed-in photos. While a major camera overhaul might not be in the cards, incremental improvements can still make a significant difference in the overall photographic experience. The design of a smartphone is often a key factor in its appeal. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has been sporting a similar look since the S22 Ultra, and a redesign is definitely overdue. A fresh new look could reinvigorate the series and attract new users. Whether it's a sleeker profile, new color options, or innovative design elements, a redesign will make the S25 Ultra stand out. In addition to these major updates, there are a couple more upgrades coming to the S25 Ultra that you should be excited about. First, let's talk about the software. The S25 Ultra will come with the latest version of Samsung's One UI, which promises to bring a host of new features and improvements. One UI has always been known for its user-friendly interface and customization options, and the latest version is no different. Expect smoother animations, improved multitasking capabilities, and enhanced privacy features. Secondly, the S25 Ultra will support faster charging speeds. Samsung has been steadily improving their charging technology, and the S25 Ultra will benefit from this. Faster charging means less time plugged in and more time using your device. This is a significant quality of life improvement, especially for those who are always on the go. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over its predecessors. With a powerful new chipset, impressive gaming capabilities, balanced power efficiency, a practical display size, enhanced camera features, and a fresh new design, the S25 Ultra is poised to be a top contender in the smartphone market. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest news on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and other exciting tech releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. This concludes our deep dive into the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got more exciting content coming your way, including hands-on reviews, comparisons, and in-depth analysis of the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, take care and stay tech savvy.